So for this pour today, I'm going to be using for my base this beautiful sage green color. And then I have Sap Green, a light green. I'm going to use some Extreme Sheen Gold. And I wanted a fourth color just for a little something. Couldn't really decide, so I went with, I kept thinking brown, black, but I didn't really want those. So this is copper. So we're going to set these aside and get the background done. Get everything out of the way. This is a little larger than what I usually paint with on this table, so trust me when I say I have drop cloths everywhere to catch any runoff. Probably my feet will catch some too, but I have the right shoes on for that. Now when you're using a dryer on your paint, be sure you have it on the cool setting because you don't want to dry everything out too quickly. So now I'm going to give each of these colors one more good stir. And then we're going to start our little path here. I don't know which way I want to go, but we're just going to go some way. Okay, I'm going to pop the sound off so the dryer won't annoy you to death, so let's get started with this part. Now this copper right now is looking pink. I'm not really liking the pink. I didn't want pink. So I'm going to add, see if we can add back a little bit. I wanted more darker green. And the lighter green is kind of done a little bit of a number here, but I'm going to add a little bit here and see what happens here. So I really wanted the dark green on this. Okay, well, I don't want to scrape it, but I just don't like the copper. Everything else, it just looks entirely too pink. So I think I might just see through here. Don't like, and I'm not hating the light green, it just didn't, I'm going to see if I can just go sparsely through there. But I do not like the copper. Well, I got most of that copper. At least it's not like looking like pink everywhere. And I know pink and sage green would look great together, but that wasn't my plan. And I really don't like it when a plan doesn't work. But otherwise, the blowout worked really well. I have some really wonderful, nice little detailing here. Just my colors in my brain and what showed up here. I should have gone with like a darker green. And look, I have plenty left. So I'm going to put a cap on these, and we may try again in the next video and see if I can darken that green up to go on this like I have in my head. Don't you love it when it's something's in your head and it just doesn't work? But again, I like the blowout here. I think the blowout looks great. It was just that copper I wasn't expecting that. I don't care for the copper, but everything else, and I'll get some zoom ins where you can see. And I want to thank you all for stopping by, and I hope to see you. I hope to see you next week. And please leave a comment, thumbs up, like, and please do subscribe.